Hey there. Today we're going to talk about the top 5 reasons that you should be interested in Sony car audio technology. We've got some of the latest and greatest, so let's dive in. Feature number 1, superior phone connectivity. With Sony's latest and greatest head units and radios for your car, we offer superior CarPlay and Android Auto integration, offering the best connectivity for your wireless device. CarPlay wirelessly or Android Auto wireless or wired allows seamless connectivity with the radio. That wireless connectivity eliminates the need for cables or connections in between the phone and the radio. Feature number 2, high quality anti glare screens. All of Sony's radios for your vehicle have the latest and greatest advanced coatings and covers for anti-glare technology. Shown on the screen here is our XAV 9000 ES. It's our mobile ES head unit that shows the latest and greatest coating that we have on that screen. On the left side, you can see a pretty decent amount of glare that's reflected on that screen. That's with no coating. And on the right-hand side, you'll see our coating applied to that same exact screen with the same lighting effect applied to it. There's a dramatic difference in the glare and the reflection on that screen, and we apply that to all of our radios for better visibility in your vehicle. Feature number 3, advanced Bluetooth capabilities. Sony is an industry leader with Bluetooth technology, and that's no exception with our new LDAC capability. This LDAC enhanced streaming allows a better high resolution signal to come from your mobile device that's compatible with that technology to stream it directly to our radios. This is familiar with most people with that have a home theater receiver or wireless headphones that have that technology as well. So we've applied that to our car radios to give you the best experience possible. Feature number 4, flexible mounting options. Sony offers a few different options for flexibility on mounting the radio into a vehicle. Our standard radios that are about the 7-inch screen size offer a shallow mouth single DIN depth chassis, but our larger floating face radios offer quite a bit of capability for flexibility, applying it to a dashboard in a vehicle. When you're putting a tablet size radio into the dash, it takes a lot of flexibility to make sure that looks like it's at home in the dashboard. So on the screen here, you see our XAV AX8500 that offers 4 installation adjustments. That's a vertical up and down, a left to right, a tilt forward and back, and then a depth adjustment in and out of the dash. On top of that, you're also going to get post installation adjustments, 15 degrees of swivel left and right toward or away from the driver, and then 15 degrees in either direction, tilting it back and forth, maybe to minimize some sun glare or some reflection that's coming from a sunroof or something like that. So these flexible mounting options give you the best possible application for your particular vehicle. Feature number 5, high voltage preamp outputs. When you're building a system in your car, RCA preamp voltage is very important. If you don't have enough voltage coming from your source unit, like a Sony radio, for instance, you must turn up the input sensitivity to the amplifier, and that can lead to some clipping and some bad sound coming out of that system. So what we do is we take a lot of care and put the right parts into our radios to offer you the best possible signal. On our 2-volt head units, so that's our XAV AX4000, for instance, we offer a clean more than 2-volt voltage on each individual RCA jack up to volume 44, and then just a very slightly clipped output at volume 45. That's out of a maximum of a volume of 50. So you can get pretty loud pretty quick with those radios with pure clean signal. On our 5-volt decks, so that would be our XAV AX6000 and up. So that would include our 8500 and of course our mobile ES series, the 9000 ES and the 9500 ES. That 5-volt pre-out gives you a big benefit because you have more than 5 volts at 49 out of 50 on the volume and a clean signal with just a hairline clip at volume 50. So max volume with minimal clipping, minimal sound degradation possible to give you the best possible sound in your system build in your vehicle. So there you have it, the top 5 reasons you should consider Sony car audio products for your ride. This is pretty awesome stuff. So if you want to find out more about our products, visit a Sony authorized retailer or visit our Sony website at sony.com/car.